Welcome back to my channel, guys. Today's topic is all about modal verb, as I have already created two videos related modal verbs. So it's today the term of may, might, must. Yeah, and this is the most important modal verb one must learn nowadays. It's a trend to use may, might, must. So how, when, why, all the questions are coming in your mind. So how will we use when, why? Let's answer all the question of yours. So I would like to say that, guys, as you have started already, I think after having so many videos, after listening, after practicing, you have already started your videos. So you must learn this modal verb like may, might, must. And I think most of the people know how and when, why we use. But for having a basic concept and a clear, a right one, that you can have 100% confirmation regarding that yes, one must use this kind of at the specific time. So let me complete that. If you want, may, might, must, all three are related with each other. Okay, how? May, it shows possibility, संभावना, possibility. Possibility means ये हो भी सकता है, it may happen, it may not happen, ये नहीं भी हो सकता. When you are not confirmed, you are in doubt, it can be happen, it can't be happen. So this is so your possibility. And when you are showing that there is major possibility, major chances of happening, then you just have to use may. You are not confirmed. For doubtful situation, it may rain today, means बारिश हो भी सकती है और नहीं भी हो सकती है. We are showing our possibility that it may, हो भी सकती है, नहीं भी. I am not going to say yet it must be. No. So we should use may where we want to show possibility, and where the chances of possibility is more than 50%. Okay, more than 50%, then you can use may. And might, where we should use might. Might is all about past tense of may. Okay, that like that. When we use may for possibility, we also use might for possibility, but might is the past form of may, as we use like can, could, and what are all the things, all the verbs that we use the past form, like that, may and might. So for past possibility we use might. कल बारिश हो सकती थी, it might rain yesterday. Okay, for past possibility we should use might. And there is another form of using might. It can be the low possibility, when there is less possibility of anything, less than 50%. If you have possibility, more possibility, like more than 50%, then you must use may. And when you have to in your doubt, not 50%, lesser than 50%, there is very minimal chances of happening any kind or any situation, then you must use might. Like you might go there. You might go there means तुम शायद ही. हिंदी में, in हिंदी, you just have in your mind शायद ही means very less chances. Okay, so शायद ही आप वहाँ जा सकते हैं. You might go there. Okay, you might go there. And what will the formula of sentence? Like if you want to use by may, then subject plus may plus verb 1 plus object, and might the same, subject plus might plus verb 1 plus object. And when must, subject must In the place of may, you can use might and must. But may for the more chances, more possibility, and the might for the past possibility, and for lesser than 50% possibility we use might. शायद ही, इन में शायद ये हो सकता है, शायद वो हो सकता है, शायद बारिश हो सकती है, शायद बारिश नहीं भी हो सकती है, बट शायद ही बारिश हो सकती है मीन्स वेरी लेस पॉसिबिलिटी, देन यू शुड यूज might. I think right now it should be clear. And the third one is must. Must means you are all about 100. It's all about 100% chances to happening anything. More than 50% and more than may. As more than 50% you should use may, but more than may when it's about 100% to sure possibility. If you are sure for anything, then you must use must. As I have already spoken so many times while speaking must, and I think you have some concept in your mind related must that where we should use. Like I'm going to give, give you one example. Like you must work hard if you want succeed. You must मतलब तुम्हें अवश्य ही, must means in Hindi अवश्य ही, you must work hard to get succeed. Okay, and the another one sentence like you must be a data analytics if you want to grow in your career. I must have joined within 2 days. I must have got a data analytics call letter. So like this you can make sentence. For must you are more sure for anything that it is going to happen. Like you are so sure अवश्य ही, मुझे अवश्य ही ज्वाइन करना है, मुझे अवश्य ही ये काम करना है, मुझे अवश्य ही वर्क हार्ड करना है, देन ओनली यू कैन सक्सीड, अभी आपको सफलता मिलेगी. देन यू जस्ट यूज मस्ट. राइट नाउ आई थिंक इट्स मे बी क्लियर. फॉर मोर देन 50% में शायद होगा, शायद ये नहीं हो सकता है. इट मे रेन टुडे, इट मे नॉट रेन टुडे. एंड इट मे रेन टुडे मीन्स ये हो भी, बारिश हो भी सकती है, नहीं भी हो सकती है. माइट फॉर लेजर चांसेस एंड फॉर द पास्ट पॉसिबिलिटीज. लाइक yesterday might rain, it might rain yesterday. And for lesser than 50% chances, like शायद ही, it might rain today. And it must rain today. It must, you must work hard, you must join any company. अवश्य ही तुम्हें करना है, then you should use must. It's all about guys, I think you have a clear concept in your mind related to may, might, must, and one you start making sentence by using this kind of 3 model verbs, and definitely you will have you can start speaking by using this one. So keep learning, keep signing, and start making sentence in front of camera, in front of mirror. Start speaking 10 sentences and start speaking to people by using any app, or if you are not able to speaking anyone, then go start speaking, communicating with ChatGPT. So guys, thank you. This is the only way you can improve if you want to start your English learning journey. So thank you guys. Bye bye. See you in my next video. And one thing I like to share with you, that if you are interested to grow in your career, then I keep sharing related data analytics courses like Excel, SQL, and Power BI, and more than that. If you are interested guys, then let me know in comment, and I will start making Power BI videos. Still I am making Excel videos, so go watch and start learning. Thank you. Bye bye. See you in the next video.